Hi everyone, hello, welcome. If it's the first time you're here to the channel, welcome back. If it's not, hey, how are you all doing? I'm your girl Ali from Home Job Success with Ali saying welcome to this another video. It's an exciting video, of course. I love doing my cat stuffing, so that's why it's exciting to me. All right, guys. So in today's video, we are going to be doing some coins because we do have some change here. And also we have a few funds that we're going to be putting in our sinking funds binder. All right. So just to get us started, we are going to be turning things up. So starting from where we left off at $17.57. So let's go with our change. All right, so let's go. I have been trying to wait around a little bit more because I wanted to have some more funds where I'm able to do my savings, but I'm not gonna wait any longer because this video, it should have been up from Monday, which was yesterday. Today is Tuesday. I am recording this now, and I hope to edit it this evening so you're able to have it for tomorrow. Today is the 18th of April, so I'm hoping to release it for tomorrow so you can all have it and see where I am at. That one probably didn't want to go in, huh? Ah, yes, guys. So my aim for this year is to make sure that I fill up this coin pan here. As you know, you saw where I was last year before I changed it out. So I want to see how far I can get this year. All right. Oh, so I basically put in over $3. That's a $2 and a little bit of change. Yeah. All right. So we are now at $20 and oops, the glare. $20.83. So that's where we are with our coins. So let's get that out of the way. All right. So now we are going to be getting into the part which we all love talking about, money, honey. All right, so this week I think it's 240, yeah, 245 dollars. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So that's 220 40. Yes, so it's $245. I doubt I am going to be doing all of that, but I'm still going to try and see what I can do with it. All right, so in grocery, I actually went grocery shopping this weekend to show you how far behind I was, because this video I was supposed to do it from Friday and put it up so it could be released on Monday, but yeah, things happened and I did not get a chance to do the video, so that's why you're actually seeing it now when you're seeing it. All right, so I did go grocery shopping already, so I won't be putting anything in this. And then I have here health. I am going to be putting in 20. Each of these binders, they are going to be getting 20 this week. All right. Yeah, I have a $5 left over. I'm not sure. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with the $5. However, I know I'll find somewhere to put that. All right. So I just put 20 in health. Then in maintenance, I'm going to put another 20. I should have 20 in it now. Yes, based on the tracker. So when I put another 20, now I should have 40. And I am not going to be updating it now. I am going to be updating it off air. All right, because I don't want to bore you guys to death. Now in transportation, I also have 20 in transportation, so I am going to put another 20 there. to make it to 40. These past weeks, this is what I have been putting in, straight 20s, which is good. Well, slow is good. It's better to be slow than not at all, right? Then in personal, I am going to be putting in another 20, and I already have 20, so now we should have 40. Last year this time I was way ahead because before I did this video I went and I checked to see how much I had saved already, and this compared to last year, crazy. Yeah, because last year I started exactly in January, and see now I am just starting in March. Yeah, so yeah, it is what it is. I've been going through some stuff, but it is what it is. So gifts, put in another 20 there, making it a 40. Dine out. So I'm going to be putting another 20 here. All right. And for those of you who have been watching, thank you so very much for watching the video. I appreciate you all. I really and truly do appreciate you, and I hope my head wasn't in the shot just now. All right, shopping. I've got some stuff to do as well. I need to purchase some stuff. So shopping already have 20, so I'm going to be putting another 20 there. And while you're watching as well, please make sure you go ahead and give the video a thumbs up, and also go ahead and hit on that subscribe button. Yes, miscellaneous, putting another 20 into miscellaneous, making it 40 also. All right, good. Then in birthday, woohoo, ha. In birthday, I am going to be, we have 2 10s, so I'm putting in another 20 here in birthday. All right, so that's also 40. And then the $1 challenge, I don't have anything in $1. I think I am going to be putting in 20, but I need to get my book, so I'm going to come back to the $1 challenge. Then in this one here, the 1K, I am going, this is 20, so I am going to be putting in another 20. So let me see, it's 20, it should be 40, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. I hope my head was not in the shot again. I keep on not remembering and putting down my head so far in the shot. I hope I did not go in, because I would be so mad right now. But anyway, let's go on. Christmas is getting 20 as well, and there is already 20 in it, so this should be 40. So 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. All right. Yeah, you know me and Christmas. I go all out for Christmas. So I don't have to purchase as much stuff as I did last year. This year it's going to be mostly like gifts and decorations, because probably I don't even use back the same red decoration which I had for last Christmas. All right. So now I have the 20, so I need to put the 20 into my $1 challenge. Where am I? Oh, and then I was saying that I don't know where to put the 5. Probably I can find somewhere to put it. Hold on, guys. Let me get my savings book so I can do the dollar. Okay, guys. So I've got my book here, my stack it up, right? And I went to my $1 page thinking I had the funds there, but guess what? I borrowed the $10. I borrowed the $10 and did not return it. So now, instead of me putting in $10, I have to, instead of me putting in $20, I have to put back the $10, which is going to leave $10. and then plus I have a $5 leftover, so it's gonna be $15 I'm actually putting in there. Guys, do you realize what's happening? Anyway, guys, I am going to be coloring the other 10 off here. So it's gonna be let's see, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. So the 15 would bring me to here. So let me just mark it off from now so I know when I'm doing it off here where to stop. So the 15 will bring me to right there. All right, so I am going to be doing this off here. I am going to be coloring the rest of them. Don't want to bore you to death. So yeah, this is my Stack It Up book. Let me get it out of the way, and then I'm going to put the $25 right here. Let's see what's happening, guys. Oh boy. So instead of me having $35 in it, look how much I have now, 25. I need to stop borrowing from myself. But anyway, that's why you do save. You save so that when you need it, you can get it back to borrow. Yeah, that's it. So that's it for today, guys, for our sinking funds cash stuffing. That was awesome. It gave me a bit of a crack up right there with the $1 savings, but that's okay. It's my lesson, okay? Yes, when you borrow, you return. All right, so that's it for this video for today, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. Also, make sure you leave a comment in the comment area and stay tuned for the next video. If you have not yet subscribed and you have reached this far, what are you waiting for? Go ahead. Whoa, see? I'm getting too excited here. I'm hitting over the camera. All right, so go ahead, hit on the thumbs up button. Also, make sure you click on subscribe and also turn on the notifications. So once I do post any videos, you're one of the first ones to be notified about that. All right, thank you guys once more, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye now. Bye. Bye.